I just got this countertop water filtration system, so I'm going to do an unboxing, show you how it works, and test it out. Comes with instructions, it comes with the drain, the first filter, and then the cover, and the second filter. Then here's the main piece, and then the plug, of course. There's the pitcher. I have everything unboxed and ready to go. So we are going to put the pitcher in. So this just slides right in from the top. You just press it down and it is in place tight. And this is a really nice pitcher. As you can see, it has the lid on it, so it just automatically opens up when water is pouring out. You can take the lid off and definitely wash it. So we'll put that in there. And then to take the lid or the cover off, we're just going to lift up on the bottom and it slides right off. We're going to put the longer filter in. You can see in the inside, there are 3 holes and then 2 grooves on the outside. So it will line up with the filter. And they have made a little arrow over here and a lock and unlock. So you can see which direction the filter should be going in, which is very helpful. So we're going to slide this in, line it up with the arrow on the inside, and then we're going to turn it a little bit and put it in the lock position. So now it's all the way in, and then we're going to put this filter in with the writing on top, and it slides into the slot right above the other filter. And you want to make sure and click that all the way in. There we go. And when you're putting this in, I had it turned to the lock position, but you want to make sure and push it all the way so it is straight up and down, and that is going to be tightly in there. And then we'll put the cover back on, snaps right into place. Then we'll take the drain, and it has a magnet, so it just automatically slides right into place, which is perfect. And then the plug is on the back, so we're going to plug the water filtration system in. And you can see right here, there's a little rubber cover. So we're going to move that up and then plug it in. And then it has your standard outlet plug on the other side. So this is where you're going to fill up the water. All you're going to do is pop open this lid right here. And it's really nice because it just slides back, and then you can put the water right into here. And you don't have to worry about losing the lid or dropping it. And then you just place it right back and make sure that it's tight. It also comes with a really nice cover. You can just slide it right over and cover that back portion. I'm going to fill this up with water and test it out. All we're going to do is lift up and then fill it with tap water. And it has a max fill line right here, so you know exactly how much to put in. I have filled it up with water. We'll slide it right back on into place. And it wants us to flush it 3 to 5 times before we actually drink the water. I plugged it in and it automatically lit up, and now it is showing that it's going to be filtering the water. It's taking water from that back reservoir and it's going to put it in the pitcher up front here. As this was filling up, it was pretty quiet, which is really nice. And it took about 6 minutes to completely fill that front pitcher. You can see the front pitcher is almost full, and then the back is about halfway full. And I filled it to that max fill line. When you are ready for some water, you put the cup right there and then press the water button, and water will start to come out. And I didn't do a certain amount, so I'll just press the water button again and it stops pouring. And if I wanted it just to be a certain amount, I could do 4 ounces, press the water button, and it will automatically stop. And of course, if you wanted to just take water out of the pitcher, you just lift it straight up, pour the water out, and put it back in, and you are good to go. As you can hear, it will automatically start adding more water to the front pitcher. So it is ready for you anytime you're ready for water. So this is pretty cool. I was sent this in exchange for my honest review. It was super easy to set up, super easy to use, no hard install. I think this is going to be a really good filtration system. I hope this helps.